Welcome to our channel. How to access Wi-Fi router settings step by step. Ever wanted to change your Wi-Fi password, see who's connected to your network, or maybe set up parental controls? To do all that and more, you need to access your Wi-Fi router settings page, also known as the admin panel. In this video, we'll guide you through the simple, step-by-step process of accessing your router's settings. Every router brand provides a web-based interface for the router to change or enable various settings and features. To access the interface, you need a computer linked with the router's network, login URL, admin username password, and updated web browser on computer. Now, use these steps to reach the login page of the router interface. Start the login process by connecting a PC with the router's network via Ethernet cable or SSID. Open the web browser and search the login URL or router's default IP address given on the back label of the device. An interface login page will display on the computer's screen. Enter the admin username and password here. The admin details are provided at the back of the router device. Click Login button after typing the credentials to access the interface. Note: be cautious while making changes in the router settings if you're unsure what they do. Incorrect configurations can sometimes disrupt your internet connectivity. If you really found this video useful and impactful, please do subscribe to the channel until we meet again with a new tech video. Thank you for watching.